What's up everybody, Kyle here with Bigger Chrome Shop, bringing another product spotlight. Today we're taking another look at Brunner Fabrication. So two things, we just got a ton of new product in, so we do have a lot of cab racks in stock, as well as we are going to be taking a closer look at one of their newer cab racks. So what we have here is it's low pro, it's only 8 inches deep, so it doesn't take up much room. But it's an aluminum cab rack, center vault with the stainless steel door. Now this thing's really cool, it's got a ton of cool features. For one, on each side here we have a slotted chain hanger, and then there's the pooling system with the slot at the bottom for drainage. So then over here we have the two latch system. It also has a keyhole if you want to lock it. So you'll just undo both of these, and it opens right up. As you can see, there's a few shelves in here. It's got a lot of space. It also comes with the mounting plates as well as the hardware taped to the door there. So everything you need to get this thing installed is going to have already. And so as far as dimensions go, this thing is 62 inches tall and 80 inches wide. We do have a lot of other options in stock if this isn't quite what you're looking for. So go ahead and check out our website at biggerchromeshop.com, and don't forget to follow our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thank you.